Now, if you want to embed your Base44 web app here on Shopify, well, there is a way or an easy way for you to do this. Now, first things first is you want to go and start editing our theme first. So go to shopify.com or specifically admin.shopify.com and just log in into your account. Now, at the left side, you want to go to online store and you want to go to themes and just click on the customize button here that you see at the right side. Now, once you do click on the customize at the left side here, you want to go to your template. So by the way, you're going to switch over to a different page if you want to apply this to a different page. But we are good with our homepage here. Now, let's go to our template here. Click on add section. Press on it. And what you're looking for is going to be the custom liquid layout here. So let's go and choose this one, custom liquid. Now, at the right side, you should see liquid code. Now, the thing with liquid code, this actually accepts HTML. So what are we using specifically in here? So we are going to use the embed HTML here. So it is a tag here that you could use. So embed here. Now, what I would specifically ask you to use is going to be the type that has the text/HTML. Now, by the way, you could just search HTML embed tag, and you should be able to see the first link here for that specific one. But let's go and copy this one. Let's go and copy this. Let's go back into our store here. Paste this. Now, what we need to do is we want to replace the actual link here, or the src property. So you want to go ahead and just open up your project here. So I already have mine in here. So at the top right, you want to go and click on publish, and you want to go and just copy the domain for your project. Let's copy this one. Go back into Shopify, and again, you want to replace the src here, so the whole thing, and you want to go and paste that. Now for the width here, I would just recommend you to just use like 100% for this one. Now for the height, you can basically change this depending on what you need. So in my case, maybe I want to use like 900 as an example. Now, by the way, this defaults to pixels, but if you do add like 100%, this automatically like fills the whole thing. But for height, this is a weird one. You need to specify an exact value for this. But yeah, so this is the height as you can see right now. And what we need to do is let's go and just click on save at the top right here. Go to our store. Let's go and reload this one. As you can see, first, it might not appear immediately, so just reload your page again and again until it appears. And as you can see, this is our app that is now applied or is now showing into our shop. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.